everybody, welcome back. I'm really excited about this. This is an older box, but I'm still super excited about it. The last few weeks I've been talking to a couple of you guys back and forth, and gals of course, and kind of walking down memory lane about some of the older players and older products, and that got me thinking, you know what I can do that I haven't done for the channel, and that's really open some of the older stuff. So I think on a regular basis I'm going to start doing that just for fun. In the 90s, when I was collecting like a maniac, I was focusing solely on baseball. So there's a lot of football from that time. Well, there's a lot of baseball from that time I'd like to revisit, but there's a lot of football that I can open now for the very first time. And knowing what I know now, I mean, to me that's just super exciting. So I hesitate to pay too much for older products because my experience with that has not been very good. A lot of times the cards, especially anything that has any kind of gloss on it, stick together. I've opened at least 3, maybe even 5 boxes that I had to turn around and throw straight in the trash. I opened some Pinnacle football from the 90s that every card was just like a little chunk block of cards, and I couldn't do anything with it. I couldn't even look at them to enjoy the cards. It was awful. So I'm not gonna pay up a fortune for anything older, but stuff like this, you know, which doesn't cost that much, I'm gonna take a chance. And I've already ordered an older baseball product. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. It'll be a surprise for us to open. Hopefully those will arrive soon, and yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. This is 96 Donruss Hobby Box. This had Hit List, What If, Silver and Gold Elite Series, which those are a tough pull, but I would love to pull an Elite. I think there are, yeah, individually numbered cards. They had already started that. Let me go ahead and cut the plastic off of this so I can read it. Alright, there we go. Yeah, parallel set, 2,500 cards per player, press proofs. Approximate odds of finding an insert are 1 in 5. So we should get a couple of things out of this. 18 packs. Let's get in here and look at it. Oh yes. Sorry, my dog's going nuts. The mail person may have come back. Mail person's notorious for dropping off stuff and then leaving and then finding more stuff and coming back. So, alright, let's do this. Well, these are glossy, but they're in pretty good shape. There's Eric Metcalf. Napoleon Kaufman, he was good. Cortez Kennedy. Eric Moulds, rookie. Nice shot there. Yeah, I was just all baseball in the 90s. That changed. That shifted somewhere along the lines. Now I'm more of a football person. I still love baseball, but man, I'm all about some football. There's Jerry Rice. Ricky Waters. Thurman Thomas. What is this? Leland McElroy rookie. This looks different. I'm not sure why. Yeah, 5 out of 10. Oh, rated rookie. Okay. So this is an insert. Of course, I was watching college football in the 90s because I watched college football my entire life since practically the day I was born. But it wasn't until later that I really got into NFL. There's Boomer Esiason. Boomer looks so handsome. Hey, you know what? He hasn't changed much. Yancey Thigpen, Jim Harbaugh. Herschel Walker. It's a good pack. Jim Everett, Irving Fryer, Eric Rett. Yeah, that was a sweet pack. No insert. Well, yeah, we got that one insert, the rated rookie. Leland McElroy, who I don't remember at all. Any of you remember Leland? Cordell Stewart, I remember him. Dave Magette, I remember. Terrell Owens, rookie. Look at that. Didn't realize this was his rookie year. Nice. And Willie Anderson. I'm so glad these are not stuck together. There's Marshall Falk. Yeah, these are real, and there's Marino. These are glossy, but they're not sticking together at all. Bledsoe. Cardi Nickerson. Eric Swan. Stephen Davis, rookie. Still no, well, no, I keep saying that. We got the one insert, but I'm hoping for something, numbered. Eric Rett. Irving Fryer. Didn't we already have those? Mike Allstott, rookie. Because I wasn't collecting a lot of football in the 90s, I'm not good at remembering the rookie years of football players. With baseball, yeah, I can tell you just... In the 90s, I had the Beckett baseball each month. Like, I had the prizes memorized. My brother would just call out, and he would, like, quiz me. He would call out a name. There's Barry Sanders. And I could tell the rookie year and the value of the rookie at that time. Vinny Testaverde. Just like that. I mean, just from memory. I just had them all memorized. So I was like a walking Beckett baseball. You could have subscribed to my service back then. Now that I'm older, my memory's not nearly as good. I don't think I could repeat that at this age. I'm getting old. Warren Sapp. These are stuck a little bit, but not too bad. Looks like we got something here. What is this? Oh, just another rookie. That's a good one, though. Muhsin Muhammad. I do remember watching him play. Eric Green. Come on, give me a press cruise or one of those what was it? Elite Series. I need an Elite Series. If I remember correctly, those are really tough to pull. You know, back during this time, inserts, I mean, there's Dilfer, could be, you know, one in thousands of packs. Boxes weren't loaded, you know. Heath Schuler, Emmitt Smith. You basically got base players, and if you were really lucky to get anything, you know, too crazy. There's Bernie Kosar and Deion Sanders. Chris Darkins. I don't remember Chris Darkins. Reggie White. Remember him, and Shannon Sharp, and Frank Sanders, and Brian Mitchell, and Kevin Carter. I don't know Eric Pegram. I do know Desmond Howard and Chris McNair, though. Oh, I love this card. I love, love, love photos that show them playing in the snow. Love, love. That's so cool. Oh, here is a gold press proof. First 2000 printed Craig Erickson. It's got a little die cut football helmet. Not the best player to get, but cool nonetheless. Craig Erickson gold press proof. Not individually numbered, but it does say out of 2000, so it is limited production run. Fred Barnett, Mark Carrier, there's Jerome Bettis, Rocket Ismail, Steve Young, Andre Reed, Reggie Brown, rookie, and Alex Van Dyke. Terry Kirby, Woodson, I don't know, Willie Davis, Chris Carter, yep. Chris Sanders, Danny Cannell. He is now a, what do you call it? What do you call those guys that, commentator, whatever, sportscaster. Joey Galloway. My brother loved Joey Galloway. Kevin Green. Darnay Scott. Brian Blades. I remember that name. Robert Brooks. Another Ripien. That's like the third one of those. And Tony Brackens. Giving the thumbs up. Hey everybody. It's all cool. Because I'm in the NFL. Making millions. I don't know if Tony Brackens made millions. He might have made $1 million. Derek Alexander, Novacek, Rashawn Salam, Jim Kelly, Cedric Jones rookie, and Torrance Small. Last couple of packs. We're gonna score anything good. I don't know if we're getting stuff every 5 packs. I don't think we're getting that lucky. We may still have something coming this way. There's Garrison Hurst. Remember him. Didn't he play for Georgia, maybe? Number 3 in the 92 Heisman voting. I don't remember. I want to say he... Oh, yep, there it is. College, Georgia. I remembered right for once. Steve Walsh, Junior Seau. Marvin Harrison, rookie. Wow. And Reagan Upshaw. I think he played for Alabama. Nope, California. Oh, I'm thinking of Courtney Upshaw, which was way after this. Good grief. Well, I had a good memory and then blew it after that. Alright, last 2 packs. Marcus Allen. Kajana Carter, remember him. Adrian Morrell. God, these things bring back memories. What is this? Checklist. Emmitt Smith, 25 rushing touchdowns in a season. Man, if you had him on your fantasy team during this year, you were gold. 25 TDs. Alright, last pack. Oh, there's Brett Favre. I miss watching him play for sure. Just look at that. Makes you want to transport back to that time. Eric Zaire, Andre Rison, Hayward, Michael Irvin, Simeon Rice. There's been some good rookie cards in this. And another checklist, Dan Marino. 352 passing touchdowns as of 12/24/95. A stud. That was cool. That was fun. We didn't get as much stuff as I thought we would, but these rookie cards were pretty cool. Did get the 1 press proof. Barry Sanders, there's Allstott, Steven Davis, Terrell Owens, and I don't know about little Leland. But anyways, that was fun. I want to do it again. I'm gonna look around. I'm gonna scour eBay, see what I can find that would be fun for us to open. Because I like just taking that little stroll down memory lane. Let me know below if you want to do that too. If nobody wants to do it, well then obviously I'll just open them by myself. But if you guys are on board, then I'll do it for you guys too. So that'll be fun. Thanks so much for watching. Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.